Welcome to Auth0 OTP for Sure Forms. The smarter way to secure WordPress forms with seamless multi-channel OTP verification, ensuring every submission is authentic, verified and spam-free. In this walkthrough, we'll guide you step by step through the entire setup process, including plugin installation, configuration and enabling OTP verification for your Sure Forms. First, make sure that the Sure Forms plugin is already installed and active on your WordPress website. And if not installed, let's go and install it. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Sure Forms, click Install Now and once installed, click Activate. Now let's install the Auth0 OTP for Sure Forms plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Auth0 OTP for Sure Forms. Click Install Now and after installation, click Activate Plugin. After activation, you'll see a new menu option in your WordPress sidebar called Auth0 OTP for Sure Forms. Click on that, General Settings. Here, you'll see three required fields: App ID, Client ID and Client Secret Key. To get these credentials, click the provided link and create your account on Auth0. Enter your email address or mobile number to receive an OTP and complete the registration process. Once logged in, go to the Application section from the left side menu. Each Auth0 application provides three important details: App ID, Client ID, and Client Secret. Simply copy these values and paste them into the respective fields in your WordPress plugin settings. Once all three values are entered, your website will be successfully connected to the Auth0 service. Next, verification channels. Choose how users will receive OTPs via email, SMS, WhatsApp or voice call. You can enable one or multiple verification methods based on your requirement. Under Phone OTP settings, select your primary verification method, for example, SMS. Scroll down to the country selection section. This setting allows you to control which countries appear in the phone number drop-down field on your Sure Forms. You have two options here. Select all countries. This will show all available countries to users worldwide. Select specific countries. This option lets you restrict phone verification to selected countries only. Click Save Changes to apply your settings. On this page, you can configure the default OTP settings for Sure Forms. Set the OTP length, expiry time, control recent behavior with cooldown time and maximum resend limits. Click Save Changes. This How to Use section helps you quickly set up OTP verification in Sure Forms. Now, open the Sure Form Integration tab. From here, you can view all your existing forms, create a new form or edit an existing one. Click Add New to create a fresh form. In the Sure Forms Builder, drag and drop the Auth0 email and Auth0 phone fields as needed. Use Auth0 email field for email verification. Use Auth0 phone field for SMS, WhatsApp or voice call verification. Give your form a title and click Save. Now page where your Sure Forms form is embedded. You can also preview forms from this screen. You'll see your form with Auth0 OTP verification fields. Each field includes a dedicated Send OTP button such as Send OTP to email, Send OTP via WhatsApp. Users can enter their email or phone number and click the Send OTP button. Auth0 will instantly send a secure one-time password through the selected channel. If multiple channels are enabled, Auth0 automatically switches to a fallback method if the primary delivery fails. Once the OTP is verified, users can submit the form successfully. You'll receive genuine leads with real-time authentication, improving trust and data quality. This completes the full setup of Auth0 OTP for Sure Forms. Sign up today and get $1 free credit, authenticate 500 plus email OTPs instantly.